Hello guys, for today's video I am going to fix this broken chair. The cushion is broken. As you can see, I will lift it up and that's broken. The screws has come off. So what am I going to do is, I have this piece of plywood here. I'm gonna cut this and fit it in here like that. So as you can see, it fit on the other side, and the other side actually is the other way around. So I'm gonna do that. So as you can see, I have marked it already. As you can see there, I have marked it already. And then once that's cut, I am going to nail it down. Alright. Okay, we go outside and cut the plywood. So, okay guys, I'm gonna start sewing this. So, I'm gonna cut this off. So, as you can see the mark here, I'm going to cut that off. Ayan guys, nakat ko na yung plywood. It's not perfect, but that will do for now. Alright, we're going to hammer this down or nail it down. Alright. That's done, guys. We have nailed down the plywood. So the next step we have to do is put the cushion on back. Okay, we have to screw that down. Okay. Okay, we have to screw that down. Guys, pinabalik natin yung screw. This time guys, I changed the screws to a longer one because the old one was a short one. So this time, it's a longer screw. So hopefully this will fix it to the, where is it? Where's the hole? Two and then three. This is the last screw. Okay, where's the hole? Okay. I don't think I got it. I think that's tight enough. Okay, tighten the rest. Tighten the rest. Sana hindi masyadong mataas yung screw na nilagay ko. Baka pag upo, matusok yung puwet. Ayan guys, tapos na. Tapos na. Okay, ayan. Tapos na ang ating upuan. Lagyan natin ng seat cover. Seat cover. Oh, diba? Ayan. That's our final product. See guys, that's our final product. Okay. Right. So I hope that is strong enough for the giant to sit on. Righto guys, thank you so much for watching. So guys, if you like these videos, why don't you give a big thumbs up? And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will be updated for my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you all. Bye!